If you're looking for a way to make money online in 2025, print on demand is still one of the best options out there. And now with AI getting even better and better, it's even easier for you to get started if you have zero design experience, if you don't even really know what you're doing. So in today's video, I am going to take you through the A to Z of how to actually make a really sellable tumbler completely using AI. Now, some of the most common print on demand items you might have thought of selling are things like t-shirts, sweatshirts, maybe a mug, but there really are so many other product types out there. And I have really seen in the last year stores that are only selling drinkware like tumblers or cups with straws in them have just exploded in popularity and started making 5 and 6 figures within their first few months. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you everything from actually finding the right product to sell, pinpointing a really good niche that's actually going to be profitable, creating a design completely with AI, and uploading that on your product so you can sell it on a marketplace like Etsy. Now, let's not waste any more time and just jump right into it. Now, the very first step of this process is going to be picking out your manufacturing partner. So in print on demand, there's you, the seller of the items, then there's the marketplace you are selling on, which in this example is going to be something like Etsy. It's where shoppers are actually looking for items to purchase and buy. But the amazing thing about print on demand is you are not the one that is personally making, printing, packing, shipping all these items. You are working with a middleman or a manufacturing partner who is doing all of that legwork for you. So you're just on the back end doing the fun part, like finding great niches and making those designs and uploading them, and they pretty much handle everything else. So the manufacturing partner I have used for a long time and I truly stand behind and love is Printify. Now, like I said, we're going to be doing tumblers today, but they have so many other different products that you could really take the same concept I'm going to walk you through and apply that to almost anything on here, from t-shirts to mugs to ornaments, candles, you name it, they probably have it. Now, if you've never done it before, you're going to need to create an account on Printify and just simply link that to a new Etsy shop. Now, this is a really simple process and I will link an entire video here that just walks you through step by step how to do that. But we're going to be moving right along to finding the item we are actually going to be designing for today. So I'm going to go over here to the left-hand side to their catalog of items, and you can see how many different types of things that you can sell as a print-on-demand seller, which just makes this a really limitless opportunity for making money online. And I am going to go down to the bottles and tumblers section. Now, there's so many options to pick from here. You even have things like a really popular handled tumbler, but the one that I have seen doing very well is actually these skinny tumblers with straws. You're able to put a design fully all around here, so that's what we're going to be doing. So we're just going to go ahead and scroll down and pick Start Designing. Now, this is where we are going to upload our finished artwork to our tumbler. But before we start working on our artwork, probably the most important step in this process, and the part where a lot of new sellers get things wrong, is in selecting the niche that you're going to be selling in. Now, print on demand is still very profitable, but it has gotten more competitive over the years. So it's really important that you aren't just trying to sell very generic things. So for example, if you just make a tumbler that says something like best teacher ever, you're going to be competing against thousands and thousands of other sellers with generic teacher items. So what I like to do is spend a little bit of time doing some initial research and coming up with niches that are a little bit more specific, but have a lot more opportunity for me to be ranked on those first pages and actually get found by buyers wanting to purchase those items. Now, this can be a little bit of a daunting process, so I actually have a free resource for you guys that I am going to be using today and that you can actually use and download for coming up with niches in the future. Now, the resource I have is my free cross-niching guidebook, and what this guidebook is going to walk you through doing is taking two really popular niches that have a ton of competition and then blending those together so that you have a niche with a lot less competition that you can actually stand out and make sales every single month. So some of the categories include things like holidays, which are great niches to cross with other things, careers, colors, pet types, hobbies. So we are going to be doing a combination of a few of these for our designs today. Now, two things that people are so passionate about are their pets and their careers. So anytime we can really tap into something that people are so passionate about, that is a fabulous niche because people are willing to spend money on it and other people love to buy these types of items as gifts. So I am going to be crossing a pet owner who owns cats with a career. So one that I was thinking of just off the top of my head that is so popular, but a lot of times way too saturated to compete in by itself, is going to be a registered nurse. So if we could cross the nursing niche with a cat owner, both of those are so popular, but by combining them, we have a little bit less competition. So that is going to be our first niche we are going to be creating artwork for today. So now that we know what we are going to be designing, we want to take note of this print area size here that it says on Printify. So this is going to be 2781 pixels by 2394 pixels. So I'm just going to take note of that, and I am going to go over to my design suite that I will be using. Now, there are so many different design suites out there, and you really can't go wrong with any of them. They all do a little bit of different stuff, but I truly love and use all the time Kittle. As opposed to some of the other design suites out there, they are more tailored specifically for print-on-demand sellers. So a lot of the tools that they have and that they consistently add are going to be specifically for people who are designing products to sell. Now, we're going to be starting a new product from scratch today, but one other really cool thing that Kittle has is thousands of pre-made templates. So if you are newer to designing, you can just take any of these templates, you can change some of the wording and have a completely unique design to start selling your print-on-demand items. But we're going to go ahead and push new project, and right here in the artboard size, I am going to plug in the dimensions that we got from Printify. So 2781 by 2394, and we're going to have it in the horizontal orientation, and just go ahead and click create. Now that is going to make us the perfect artboard size for that tumbler. Now on Kittle, they have all sorts of things where we can add our own text, we can add elements to this design, but the main thing we're going to be utilizing is their AI pattern maker. So I went down here to the bottom and clicked Kittle AI, and I'm just going to go to their image generator. Now they have all sorts of image styles. You can do just more of a single clip art image or a vector image, but we're going to be doing a pattern today, and one that has been selling very, very well for me and does super well, especially on places like Etsy, is this kind of cutesy kawaii style pattern. So I'm going to select that, and then all we're going to do is describe the type of pattern that we would like. So I already said we're going to be crossing cats with nurses, and it's going to automatically make it in that cute style, so we don't have to add any keywords about cute or kawaii in here because it's going to just do that for us. So it makes it super, super simple. So I might type something as simple as cats as nurses and go ahead and generate that image, and it's going to create our pattern for us. Now it just takes a couple seconds here. All right, so just after a second, it created this really cute pattern for us here with some cats dressed up as nurses. Now this is kind of exactly what I was thinking. It's in that really cute kawaii style, and all we're going to do to make it ready to put on our tumbler is I'm just going to go ahead and resize this after I've cropped it. And then I'm just going to resize this to take up the entire canvas here. Now that is looking so cute, and we could totally add some additional text if we wanted to make it more personalized with someone's name or do something like cat mom and nurse. But I think for our purposes today, this pattern is totally ready to go. It's something that is very sellable on a site like Etsy, and I know it's going to do very, very well. So I'm just going to go ahead and download this, and we have all our settings already plugged in right here. So we're just going to go ahead and download. Now back on Printify, all we're going to do is go to this upload button right here and click on my device and find the artwork we just downloaded. All right, so our image has uploaded, and I typically like to take this all the way to the edges of this gray area here just to make sure that nothing gets cut off. And once we have it all placed, we can go ahead and preview this design, what it would actually look like on the product. So that looks so cute here, and we can kind of see the other side of the template as well. That looks super adorable, and this would do super well with nurses. Now once we're happy with this, all we're going to do is save this product, and it's going to take us to where we can select the different mockups that we want to use. So I like to have typically like a lifestyle mockup, as well as just some other mockups that show what the product is going to look like from all sides. So I might actually include most of these here and save those selections. Now I typically like a lifestyle mockup to be one of the first images in my photo. So I might end up using something like this, but the best practice is always going to be making your own mockups. So I've talked about many times before, I love the tool Placeit, which is a mockup generator for print on demand sellers. So if you want to get even more specific, if you want to make even nicer mockups, you can check out Placeit down below, make an account with them, and make 100% unique mockups to use and sell your items. Now, the next amazing tool that Printify has is their fully AI generated title and description tool. So what I'm going to do is click generate with AI, and we need to just give a brief description of what this item is that we are actually selling. So I just described a little bit about the design and some of those keywords that I definitely want to hit. So I included cute kawaii straw tumbler, 20 ounces, cat as nurses for cat mom or cat lover who is a registered nurse. So I'm going to click generate, and it's going to fill in our title and description for us. And we're going to go ahead and apply that to the listing. So what it came up with is cat nurse skinny tumbler, kawaii 20-ounce cup for cat mom or nurse, cute kitty design, nurse appreciation gift, cat lover tumbler. Now, it didn't quite use all of the real estate that we have here, so I might even add a few more keywords that I really want to hit. And that's typically what I find with these AI titles and descriptions, is a lot of times it's a great jumping off point, but you always want to kind of add your own edits in here and make it a little bit more specific. So I definitely wanted to hit on the birthday gift keywords. So I included at the end cat nurse birthday, and then took out the word design here because it's kind of redundant and not something people would actively be searching for. Now, the description included a lot of those keywords that we really want to hit, but I might even start it with one additional sentence that says something like the best gift for nurse cat lovers. That way, if someone looks up the phrase on Etsy, gift for nurse cat lover or best gift for nurses who are cat owners, this is going to show up. Now, it also included some relevant tags here with that AI. So today I'm just going to leave most of those, but sometimes it's a good idea to kind of do some preliminary searches on Etsy and see what other people in similar niches are tagging their products with and kind of follow suit. And we're going to automatically have it assign a new shipping profile. And then for the pricing, I like to have my numbers end in things like 99. I just think that looks a little bit more normal to shoppers. So I might either change this to like $45.99 or $46.99. And then it's going to calculate that profit and profit margin for us. But note, this is going to be before Etsy takes out any fees as well. Now, once that is good, all we're going to do is hit publish, and it's going to automatically go over to our Etsy shop. All right, so once everything has synced with our Etsy shop, we'll see that the status on Printify has changed to publish. So we're just going to jump over to Etsy and we can see this listing here. All right, so we see our new tumbler showing up right in our Etsy shop, and we can just click on it and see exactly what this will look like. So this takes us to the listing here. If we wanted to add additional images, we could do that, but I'm just going to go ahead and view this on Etsy so we can see what our shoppers would be looking at. All right, this looks so cute here. So we can see our title that has all our really important SEO completely made using AI, and then our description right here. And then all of those different mock-up photos have synced, so shoppers will be able to get a really good idea of what this looks like. So I'm just going to show you one more niche that is a really good example of how to use this cross-niching method. So I have pulled back up my cross-niching guidebook. Now, if you've never taken it before, I actually have a free 1-hour-long workshop that kind of takes you through the nitty-gritty of how to download and use this guide. It's going to walk you through step-by-step the full process. You can sign up for that for free down below, and I'll send all the information to your inbox, as well as this guidebook and some other really helpful resources. But one of the most profitable niches that I sell in all year long is anything to do with holidays. Now, like I said, if you just go way too generic and try to just sell something that says like Merry Christmas or Happy St. Patrick's Day, that probably is not going to get you very far. But I'm going to take a really similar concept to what we just did with that cat nurse design, and I am going to cross an upcoming holiday, which is St. Patrick's Day, with a dog breed. So one that I thought could be very cute was Beagle, but you could do something really similar with poodles, dachshunds, Australian shepherds. You could make 10, 20 different similar designs just by swapping out that dog breed and kind of copy and paste this process many, many times to have a bunch of sellable designs that people would actually be looking for. So let's head back over to Kittl, and we are going to generate our artwork for this really cute Beagle St. Patrick's Day design. So I have, again, just created that exact size artboard that we used last time, and I'm going to go ahead and describe my pattern that I want to use. And so I just said something like Beagle celebrating St. Patrick's Day, and And because it is such a popular style, I'm going to stick with that kind of cute kawaii pattern and go ahead and generate that image. All right, so that just took a second and it looks super, super cute here. So I'm just going to go ahead and stretch this out over the full canvas. And once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to go ahead and download it the exact same way. And then we'll head back over to Printify. Now, same thing, I'm going to go to the uploads and go to my device and click that new artwork, right? And once we're happy with that placement, we can go ahead and preview this design. And that looks so cute. So you could take this exact same concept and you could cross beagles with Valentine's Day and Easter, St. Patrick's Day, Christmas, or you could even stick with St. Patrick's Day and try making AI designs for 10, 20 different dog breeds. Then all you're going to do, like that last one, is use the Printify AI title and description generator, and you're well on your way to getting your items uploaded on your Etsy shop. Now, using this method, you could easily have your first 10 or 20 items uploaded in your Etsy shop in just a couple days. You have huge potential to make a bunch of sales really early in this year and keep growing and expanding your shop throughout 2025. Now, if you want to try any of the tools that I mentioned in this video, including Printify, Kittl, Placeit, or sign up for that free Cross Nation workshop to get the free guidebook here, I will link all of those down below. And if you want even more ideas for how to actually use AI generated artwork for print on demand, I'll link this video here. You definitely want to check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.